right, kids. We on film. Scoot in here now. Let me take a picture. Yes. And then what?
I fell down the river. I found
What is it? Oh, it's a phone number? What are we going to call for? You're going to call for what? What are they going to say?
We don't know.
Call us and tell us if you like our stuff. Think so?
Think so.
Just call, leave a comment. Tell us if you like it. Tell us if you like our product.
I like it.
All right, tell me if the product makes you have cavities or makes your teeth sore. You guys stop eating that because it's going to make your teeth sore. That means you have a cavity. You already got 2 of them, bub. So you can't eat on that side that you have those cavities. And you need to brush everything off your teeth.
That's what I did in the morning.
Okay, well, I want you to start taking the toothbrush with you.
It's 8:01.
8:01, how do you know?
Because 8:12 was, no, 8:11 was 7:59. 8:13 was 8. And then right now it's 8:01.
You're right. All right, children. Pray that they finished our house. If not, we're going to have to get another room.
So we can be to school earlier than this.
Yes, true. We normally get here a little bit earlier, but we're still early. You guys will have 5 minutes to run around. Remember, if you guys need to use the restroom, use it before you go to class, okay?
Yeah. Wait, it's 8:05?
You guys put your hoodies and stuff on. It's cold out there.
I do have my hoodie on. Wait, it's 8:05 already?
No, it is. By my watch, it says 8:01 or 8:02.
Check your phone to see the real time. Roll up.
My watch says 8:01. But for some reason, no, it's 8:02.
All pull-ups. Roll-ups.
All right, man. All right, little girl. I love y'all.
Love you too.
You guys have a good day. Might pick you up. Oh, we got to pick you up early because you got practice tonight, okay? Finish that homework up, too. Tell your teacher you need more homework.
Dad,
Yes. Go the other way, big girl. Wait, hold on. Hold. Push your seat up. Push your seat up. Junior, push your seat up. All right. Give me your hand. Got it.
Yeah.
You guys keep your hoodies on. You could even tie the string to make it tighter so it don't fall off. Boy. Whew, y'all don't even know. Staying in a hotel with some kids for 4 days is not as easy as it looks. It's kind of stressful, actually. But we'll see. We will see. I'm gonna go check right now to see if we can get back in our crib. But I'm exhausted.